Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to switch between the seller mode and the buyer mode on Fiverr. So the first thing you have to do is to log in to your account. Make sure your VPN is on if you are in another country. So you would see this button here, this icon button here close to your profile picture here. So that's the tools you need to sell your services. We'll set this as your default mode, so you can click on it and it should switch to the seller mode. So if you want to switch back to the buyer's mode, you can just click on your profile image here, profile picture here, click on it, and then you can switch to buying. So once you do that, you can switch to buying here. It should take you back to the previous page, which is this. Now you, from this page, you can actually sample order, you can actually purchase a service here, or find anything that, or do your research, find anything that interests you from this particular page. So this is how to actually switch between the buyer mode and the seller mode on Fiverr. If this video has been helpful to you, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one.